Welcome to Project's Organic Gardening. In this video we will learn how to grow watermelon plant. Come, let's see. First thing we are seeing is, if you are trying to grow this watermelon plant from seed, please choose a good quality seed so that the germination process will be very nice. And next thing we are seeing is, at the flowering stage you should give more nutrients. Then only the pollination level will increase and the watermelon plant can grow very strength and it can be fit. And next thing we are seeing is, the major problem in this watermelon plant is mealybugs only. The most common pest which affects all the plant is mealybugs. So mealybugs will affect the watermelon plant also. So if you give more fertilizers, the plant itself will cure from that due to its strong energy and immune system. Or the plant is very weak in health condition, you should only spray neem oil and control it. And next thing we are seeing is, the major next problem in watermelon plant is squirrels and other birds like pigeons, crows, like that only. So to protect from that, you can put a small fence around your watermelon plant, or you can keep some sharp plants near your watermelon plant so that no animal will come near your watermelon to eat it. For example, I have kept a turkey berry which has more thorns in this. You can see there are more thorns in this turkey berry plant. So like this, you can keep plants near your watermelon plant so that it will protect your watermelon plant. And next thing we are seeing is, for pest control you can spray neem oil. And another thing we are seeing is, please choose a big size grow bag like this. And next thing is, if you have space only, you can grow a watermelon plant. You can't grow in your balcony if you are in flat or apartment. I am not disappointing you friends, this is real only. You need some space. I have a big balcony like this, so only I am growing in a small space like this area. And you can grow this watermelon plant in terrace garden, balcony garden. Like me, if you have big balcony, you can grow backyard garden, ground gardening, or if you have a farm, you can grow there also. And next thing we are seeing is, the watermelon plant is a summer crop, so it needs 75 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius sunlight. So keep the plant in a sunny spot. My watermelon plant gets sunlight for 9 hours a day. The sunlight will come from the top and from the east also. Actually, I am in the east direction. And next thing we are seeing about this watermelon plant is, you may think there is only one watermelon in my watermelon plant, but there are many watermelon hidden inside the plant. At the starting stage, the watermelon will be very small. When the watermelon grow big only, you can find them. And next thing we are seeing is, give some organic fertilizers, more fertilizers like nitrogen. Watermelon plant needs many nitrogen content. So where you can find nitrogen content? Yes, you can find all the nitrogen content in dried leaves. It is very simple to search for dried leaves. In the potting mix itself, add 1 cup full of dried leaves. I hope you all like this video. Meet you in the next video friends. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.